Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back, guys, for the third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday the 13th, December the 13th, 2024, and I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, so one regular puzzle is left, the Killer Sudoku. By the way, in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with this one, number 9743. We have here 2 given numbers. In this triple box of 16 we have a given number 6. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 10. We have a triple box of 14 with a given number 2. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 12. Alright. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one is complete. This one has 2 sharing boxes. This one has 1. Okay. This one has also 1. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1. 1, 1. This one has also 1. This one has 1, 2. And this one is complete. What you need to know is the total sum of a complete big square is 45. If you count all these numbers, the total sum is 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Alright. Let me start with this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 8 plus 7 is 15, double 15 is 30, 30 plus 11 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In the box of 11, the combination will be 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Now this big square has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 14 is 28. 28 plus 7 is 35. 35 plus 9 is 44. 35 plus 9 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. In a box of 10, combination will be 1 plus 9. Alright, let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 9 plus 11 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 6 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. In a box of 16, combination will be 9 plus 7. Let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 10 plus 10 is 20, 7 plus 12 is 19, 19 plus 20 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box should be a 6. In a box of 8, the combination will be 6 plus 2. Now this big square, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 16 plus 15 is 31. 31. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 31 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 6, the combination will be 5 plus 1. Now this big square has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 15 plus 6 is 21. Plus 10 is 31. Plus 7 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. In the box of 9, combination will be 7 plus 2. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column 3 now need to place level 1 should be here or there. Well, I think that 1 should be here. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 15, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 14. 14 is not allowed. So the 1 should be here. And these 2 boxes together should be 10. So that box should be a 9. Let me see, this is complete. Is this complete? This is also complete. How about here? No. We have the box of 7 and the box of 15 in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7. Should be in the box of 15. Combination 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4. So yeah. Come on. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, we have the box of 16, only one combination, 9 and a 7, 9 and a 7. 14, 6, 9, 14, 12, 9, 11, 15, 8 and 7. No. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with two combinations. For example, the box of 14, only two combinations. 9 plus 5 or 8 plus 6. Well, the 9 is already used here in the box of 16, so it should be 8 and the 6. Let me mark those 8 and 6, 8 and 6. There are two combinations for the box of 14. 8 and the 6 and the 9 and the 7. Well, the 8 and the 6 is already used in the first row, so I cannot place the 8 and the 6 here. It should be the 9 and the 7. So now we have two boxes left, the box of 12 and the box of 9. One of the missing numbers is 3. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 9. The 9 is already used here in this big square, so the 3 should be in the box of 9. Combination 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and the 8. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. 9 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. One box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. 5 is oh, not 7 and 9. This should be 8 and a 6, 7 and the no 7 and 9 and the 5. Almost made a mistake. 9 and a 5, 8 and a 6, or 9 and a 5. 8 and a 6 cannot be here, so 9 and a 5. Okay, one box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. Okay. In this big square, we have the box of 15. There are two combinations for the box of 15, 7 and the 8. The 7 is already used, and 8 and the 9 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. One of the missing number in this column is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11. Should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 11 because then the combination will be 2 plus 9. The 9 is already used in this column, so the 2 should be here or there. Here can we have 2? We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5. I need a 5 here. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here or there. So 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 3 goes there. 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 6 goes and there. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 6. Goes in the box of 15. Combination 9 and a 6, 9 and a 6. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the second row, only 2 places left for the 7. Cannot place the 7 in the box of 7, of course, otherwise the combination will be 7 and the 0. 0 is not allowed, so the 7 should be here. In the box of 8, combination 7 plus 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Well, I cannot place the No. 1, 2, 1 and the 5, 2 and the 4. Okay, 1 or 2, 1 and a 2. Here also 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. Then let me see. 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 9, 6, 6. Need a 6 there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, no, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 should be in the box of 9. Combination 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. So no 3 here, 5 and an 8. Okay, so we have a box of 10 and 11 and a 6. Come on. 9, 8. Need a 9 here. 9 and a 1. 9 and a 3. Need a 6 here. 6 and a 7. 6 and a 5. Okay. Come on. I need a 5 here. The difficult 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 3 places left. The 7 should be here or there. I cannot place this 7 in the box of 6, of course, so the 7 should be here. In the box of 11, combination will be 7 plus 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. In the box of 6, combination will be 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 2 numbers left now in the third column. 4 numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and an 8. In the box of 10. Then I need a 5, 7. Come on. 7 and the 3. No. I need a 5 in this big square. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10. Otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so the 5 should be in the box of 6. Combination 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1, the other pair in this big square numbers. The 1. 2 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 and a 6, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6 and a 3, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 5 and a 1, need to wait. I need a 5 also here. 5 and a 4, 9. 5, 1, 3. Okay. 1, 3, 1, 5. I need an 8 in this row. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 6, so the 8 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1 is missing. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now. The 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1 and the 2 is missing. 2 plus 8. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. Alright. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. Come on. 9 and a 6. 3 and a 4. Well, we have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column, last column. So the column between, only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. So the 8 should be in the box of 11. Combination 8 and 3, 8 and 3. So we have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. In the box of 13, combination will be 9 plus 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 and the 7 are missing. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. Then let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. In the box of 12, combination will be 7 plus 5. So 2 boxes are left, the 10 and the 7. One of the missing number is a 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 7, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 6. The 6 is already used in this big square, so the 1 should be in the box of 10. Combination 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 5 and a 1, we have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, oh sorry, in this column for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then let me see, 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 in this row, last row, 2 in the row above, so that row the only place left with 2 should be there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, this one is a very quick one to solve. Is this really a 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. Not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Friday the 13th. Yes, bye bye for now.